Your iPhone camera is suddenly showing a black screen? You can fix it in just a few minutes. 1. Force close and reopen the camera app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause in the middle. This opens the app switcher. Find the camera app, then swipe it up to close it completely. Now reopen the camera app and check if the black screen is gone. If it's still stuck, move on to the next fix. 2. Switch between camera modes. While inside the camera app, try switching between different modes like photo, video, portrait, slow-mo. Sometimes this kickstarts the camera system and instantly fixes the black screen issue. Still not working? No worries. Let's keep going. 3. Clean the camera lens. Grab a microfiber cloth and gently clean the back camera lenses, the front selfie camera area. Dust, fingerprints, or debris can sometimes block the lens and cause the camera to appear black. Once cleaned, open the camera again and test it. If it's still black, try this next important step. 4. Check for iOS updates. Open Settings. Tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, install it. After the update, open the camera and see if it's working. If not, 5. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release volume up, quickly press and release volume down, then press and hold the side button. Keep holding until the Apple logo appears. A force restart clears out system-level glitches and is one of the best fixes for camera black screen problems. Once your phone turns back on, open the camera app again. In many cases, this solves the issue instantly. 6. Test the camera in other apps. Try opening the camera inside apps like Snapchat, Instagram. If the camera works there, then the camera app itself is the problem. But if it stays black in every app, it may be a deeper software or hardware issue. Final fix. Reset all settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Choose Reset all settings and confirm. Once done, your camera should start working again, unless there's a hardware issue. If your camera still shows a black screen even after all these fixes, then it could be a hardware problem. In that case, it's best to contact Apple support. And that's it.